Here's a project that was installed around 2011. You can see the straw mats here for erosion control, and they had a big drop off coming off of this patio. So I created this patio extension with some steps getting down into the yard, a nice seat wall so people can talk to the guy who's grilling, and a little bit higher grilling wall so that the grill wouldn't be blown over by the winds. Here's that same patio in 2013. 2023, you can see it's still holding up after over 10 years. Side of the house on some of these new subdivisions can have a very steep, narrow area to try to get a path up and down. Here you can see we used a gray breeze, which is a highly compatible stone dust. We had to build some walls to eliminate that cross slope as much as possible. And as you can see in 2023, still holding up. They had this tremendous view looking to the west, and here you see red rocks out in the distance. They had this small split rail fence, so we really wanted to enhance the view and not distract from that beautiful view. So we use a lot of perennials and a little bit of an evergreen shrub here. So here we have Garia, we have some daylilies, we have some Missouri evening primrose, and then some agastache with that St. Mary's spruce kind of in the background there for winter interest. Their bedroom window was right here, and they wanted something to kind of mitigate the sound. There is a road down below them, so they would get a little bit of traffic noise. So we did this little fountain that recirculates underneath these rocks here. So you can see in 2013, things have grown in real nice. We're starting to get some screening from the neighbors. And then by 2023, the neighbors are completely gone, and you just are left with this tremendous view. The front yard was fairly simple. We just had this nice spot of grass and some shrubs and trees, and that's right after it was installed. Things really grew by 2013. Then by 2023, we had lost the tree, but everything else is still looking pretty good.